Hi, so this was the first problem of our last day of 15 days MathSmart puzzle challenge, and here we had to find the area of the shaded region, and we are given that smaller circles are of diameters 1/3 and 2/3 of the diameter of the biggest circle. Radius of the biggest circle is 18 units. So if I assume the diameter of the biggest circle as d and diameter of the smallest circle as d1 and this as d2, d1 they are saying d1 is equal to 1/3 of d, that means 1/3 of d, that is d by 3, and d2 is equal to 2/3 of d, that is 2d by 3. So if I add both of them, d by 3 and 2d by 3, this is actually equal to d plus 2d by 3, that is equal to d. That means the center of all the three circles lie on a line. Okay, so if I call this equation as 1 and this equation as equation number 2, and if I divide the first equation by 2, I'll get the radius of the smallest circle, which will be equal to d1 by 2, which will also be equal to d by 6, or the radius of the biggest circle is 18 units. That means diameter will be 2 multiplied by 18 divided by 6, so this will be equal to 6 units. And if I talk about R2 will be equal to d2 by 2, that is 2d by 3 multiplied by 2, or we can say d by 3, that is 2 multiplied by 18 by 3, and this will be equal to 12 units. So we have found the radius of both the smaller circles, and now we have to find the area of the shaded regions, and we know the area of circle is given as pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So area of the biggest circle will be pi multiplied by 18 square. Then we have to subtract the area of both these circles. So area of this circle will be pi multiplied by 12 square, and area of this circle will be pi multiplied by 6 square. So if I take pi common from all these terms, I'll have 18 square minus 12 square inside the bracket, minus 6 square will be over here. Here I can apply the formula of a square minus b square. So this will be 18 minus 12 multiplied by 18 plus 12 minus 6 square is 36. So this will be equal to pi multiplied by 18 minus 12 is 6, multiplied by 18 plus 12 is 30 minus 36. So this will be equal to pi multiplied by 180 minus 36, that is equal to pi multiplied by 144, or you can write it as 144 pi. So this will be the area of the shaded region. You can substitute the value of pi and then again you can solve it and you will get a value in decimals. So this is the solution for the first problem. I have done it in a very long way. See, here you can do shortcuts. Whatever is the ratio of diameter, same will be the ratio between their radii also. So directly you could have written R1 is equal to 1/3 of 18, that is 6, and R2 will be equal to 2/3 of 18, that is 12. And here also you can identify your own shortcuts and skip few of the steps and directly reach here. So it's completely up to you how you solve it, and in few minutes I'll be uploading video on the solution of the second problem. So keep watching MathSmart, subscribe to it, press the notification bell, and bye bye till then.